Canceling add-ons on YouTube TV is quick and easy, and you can remove any premium channel or extra package without canceling your main subscription. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. Start by opening YouTube TV on your phone, smart TV, or computer. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From the menu on the left, select Membership. You'll see a list of all your active premium add-ons, such as HBO Max, Showtime, Stars, NBA League Pass, or sports packages. Each add-on has a check mark next to it. To cancel one, simply uncheck the box or click Manage Arrow Cancel next to the add-on you no longer want. A confirmation screen will appear explaining when the add-on will stop working. Most add-ons remain active until the end of your current billing period, so you won't lose access immediately. After confirming, the add-on will be removed from your subscription, and you won't be charged for it again. If you ever want to re-add an add-on, return to the membership section and enable it with one tap. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.